Welcome to Apple Tricks. We are going to use cubes. We've got a couple things going on in this word problem. We want to make sure that we are circling our numbers and our units. So Sam and his two friends are balancing apples. They can each balance 8 apples. There are 6 apples left in the bucket. How many apples do they have in all? So I see that we have 8 apples. And we have 6 apples in the bucket next to them. And we have Sam and his 2 friends. Next, I am going to underline the question. How many apples do they have in all? So based on the question, I know that I am looking for an answer with a label of apples. Now I'm going to box in my action words. So we have each here. That helps me know that Sam and his 2 friends each have 8 apples. So I'm picturing in my head 3 people and they're each balancing 8 apples. Then we have there are 6 apples left in the bucket. How many do they have in all? So that tells me that I'm going to put them all together and figure out my total. Before we begin solving, we always want to make an estimate. How many total apples do you think the 3 friends might have? Try to picture in your mind what this looks like. Pause the video and make your estimate. Now that you have made your estimate, this visual will help you to see what's going on in this word problem. So let's take a look again up here. Sam and his 2 friends. They each have 8 apples. So I am going to show Sam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then one friend also has 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the third friend also has 8. These are the number of apples that they are balancing. 5, 6, 7, 8. As we continue, you will see the apples that are in the basket next to them. So here we see Sam and his 2 friends balancing the 8 apples each, and there are 6 apples in the bucket. So now we need to know how many do they have in all. So we're looking at 8, 8, 8, and then the 6 over here. Now that you have an answer, it's really important to make sure that your answer makes sense. Did you answer the question being asked? If it's asking you how many apples, you should have an accurate label of apples. You also want to compare your answer to your estimate just to make sure that it is reasonable.